Hello guys, this is Malaysia State Selangor. I just got something in by the country ball. Also, what is inside? Which so you have to like and subscribe. It's just the wall. So we are opening. Oh, Japan. Smile. What is this? Being chilling. China. Narrow eyes. Germany. Italy. Where is the face? Oh, there's Italy. So, what is this? There's something I just found inside this. And there's more. It's Ukraine. Normal. So open this. Wow, it's Russia. It's Russia. Bright. Make piece of wood. So Russia. Japan. Let's open Japan first. So. Oh, scissors. So, open Japan. And so, yeah, we got Japan. So, Ukraine. And open bean chili, aka China. Let's open Italy. Look, it's Italy. And Germany. So, let's meet everybody. We have here is Germany. Oops, Germany. Can't you use that? Germany. Wait, where is Russia, by the way? Oh, fail. Germany, Russia. Italy. Japan. With the flag crimson and flag the new flag of Japan. China, pink, and Ukraine. I'm going to get you. Oh, it's gone. So, where is Britain, by the way? British. Did I smell tea? What? Bing chewing. Malaysia. Powers? Ding ding. No, it's Ukraine. Russia. Attack. What are you doing, Russia? Pinchy. What? Girl. Attack. Like and subscribe. Bye.